Rightio. Check the eyes so no one's coming. These are your corrugations, all your big ripples and all that. Some of them get pretty deep. I don't know if it starts to display how big and deep they get there in the camera, but that's what's causing a bit of grief for us. One of the leaf packs in Poppet's trailers, it's lost its little wavy things. I'm pretty sure that just keeps it nice when it's unloaded, because we're going with such a heavy leaf. It keeps a bit of tension on the pack. But what we've also found happening is the axle's starting to rotate. So ours isn't looking as bad. We were playing with that one earlier in the video, but we'll show you what's going over here. We've just tried to jack it up quickly with them arc sort of steady legs. Handy so we don't have to jack everything up. There we go. Gotta get the camera in this spot.
Yeah, they're loose, guys.
Yeah?
Oh yes. Yes or no? Finger tight.
Yeah, right. That was mine earlier. We've only done 110 k's since I just checked my trailer and you just checked yours.
Yeah.
So handbrake's off. We got to loosen this one and swing them both back.
Yeah. Now it's tight.
Yeah.
This one's still tight, so it's like it's.
Yeah, but both.
The only thing that's been, yeah, but it's like the only thing that stopped the.
That's why it's bent that, because it's forcibly had to move it.
Yeah.
So spin that will undo them, and then push that axle back. Excuse me, I'm trying to do this bloody stand thing on the GoPro attachment. So then hopefully we can rotate that back, get that flat again and retighten them. For people that don't know, this plate's got a hole in it, and there's a pin on the leaf pack, and that locates that plate on the top of the leaf pack, keeps the axle in place. So that's what we've got to try and achieve to fix. Let's see if that gets a good enough shot. Yeah, that'll do. What's on there now?
I think we need to go up more. Yeah. Because there's still a fair bit of weight on that.
Is that less hard to hold?
We're going to have to pop it off on the car then.
Yeah, I think
because
so.
we're putting way too much on those front load. That's alright, we don't have to move anything.
We just got the chuck it on. Yeah, got it, bro. Got it.
Yep.
Yep, we're lined back up now.
So roll back.
No, I've got it. I've done that as well. That light locating?
Yeah, you might be able to see the hole in the plate there. And the pin on the leaf pack that I was talking about earlier. Nah, it's got to come back.
Tighten your side.
Yeah.
Make it come towards
The back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's doing it.
Yeah, boy.
that's starting to, that plate's now starting to follow the leaf pack. I reckon that might have just been done up uneven.
Yeah.
If it didn't locate onto that bolt properly, then it would have just been...
Looks like it.
You can see how that's all flat now.
Yeah.
It must have just been cocked up on that bolt. Like even this one's now sitting much better.
I wonder if we should, if there's access to some power, try and like put some weld on here to stop that from being able to come up. I don't know what that
To
does.
the leaf pack.
No, to the axle. See how there's like that gap there?
To the plate, yeah.
I don't know what that does to like the axle structure and stuff. Does that those U-bolts still look like they're on the pissy? Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I gotta do now? Do these ones up.
Plate's located then.
Yeah. So it just means that these ones are got to do up so they.
Yeah. Yeah. I'd only be tightening the front now.
Only these ones.
No, the front.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those ones.
I keep forgetting which one's which.
Because that'll square it up. Yeah, that's doing wonders for it.
That's wonderful to hear.
A bit cold.
Right.
And your plates. Slotted front and back. That's the way, isn't it? Yeah.
I would assume so, but maybe it needs to go the other way.
I don't know, we should have a look at mine.
Yeah.
Like that'll get us into camp.
Yeah.
Charlie's not good.
I'm going with the. I'm just gonna make these fucking tighter now, eh?
Yeah.
I'm not going with the. Yeah, you shouldn't over tighten them.
Oh,
That hasn't
that's
been-
been fucking out the window for me all day.
Yeah. Not doing it for me anymore.
I'd favour that first one. Yeah.
It hasn't damaged the threads too much. Oh, fuck yeah, that's tight.
Yeah, but you know what we can do?
What's that?
Use these as spares.
Yeah, I just
Use
would love
the-
to get. I think I'd love to get both nuts on there. I don't think there's the length on those other U-bolts to do that.
Yep.
That's all, man.
Yeah.
I'd love to get those nylocks on here as well.
Yep. As a first or secondary bolt? No.
Second. So leave these tight as shit now, and then crank the nylock up its ass.
Yep.
How's that look now?
Looks good. There's a gap across the top there, isn't there?
Yeah, just the tiniest bit.
But I wouldn't keep going with the back one because look at the thread count. Like, is there now an allowance because that plate's bent that it'll want to tend
Move?
to move? Yeah.
Yep.
Every impact sort of thing.
I'd say so. They're sort of as tight as I can really do them.
I gotta rotate this.
They both sort of seem to sort themselves out.
I'd favour the rears to get that plate down. wouldn't I?
You get that, yeah. Oh, my fucking head's getting heavy. Out of all the things,
Do them and not do enough to the front.
did that like open this leaf up here? Can you see that?
Good or bad?
Oh, I don't know, there's just gaps between them all now as you're doing that up. But I feel like that's probably going to close back up when we drop it down.
Oh yeah, it will. Happy with that?
I think so.
Double check the joint. None of these have moved, which is good to see.
Yeah, that was my biggest concern, was this one being so short.
Yeah.
But they're tight as fuck.
It's amazing that they've come undone because those other ones are painted so much and in position that they aren't coming undone.
No.
Do you remember if this was the loose side?
Don't remember now.
The loose without tension?
Don't remember.
Alright, so they're all tightened up on the passenger side again. Plates back down. These have come loose with what we think's I guess that keeps tension on it when it's unloaded. Keeps it rolling nice.
Yeah, I think when it's not heavy it stops them from bouncing down the road like a typical box trailer would.
Yeah, so they've come out of this side, but we'll be able to get replacement ones for there later on. These are retightened, we've repositioned all of that. Riley's just getting a zip tie so we can zip tie that up out of the way with a bit of slack to the threaded rod for the tank holder, because mine's travelling up and smacking on the booker rod on the inside. We don't want it to gillo that cable for the brakes, because then you're losing brakes in one corner of a single axle trailer, which may not be fun.
Will become a handful.
Yeah. Anyway, when you're doing repairs, I suppose what we've thought of, I'll jump out and show you. Oh. Where it's very dusty like this, wind's going that way, so we're on this side. That way, if we're laying down and working on the car, we're not caught in dust and people are overtaken and risk of hitting us. I think Popper's getting some. And we're off the road to avoid anyone accidentally coming over and smacking us while we're parked up. So we'll get this rolling, and then 50 k's to camp. So when we get to camp, we'll throw out these legs down again, get it up off the ground and get some weight off it and try and have a play with it properly. Swap the normal nuts out for lock nuts. I'm tempted to do the same. Yeah, just so they don't keep moving, because we're doing more than the K's and they're just rattling loose, probably because we didn't do it all properly to start with on tension. That's all right, live and you learn.
It is what it is.
That it is. How are we travelling? Because we originally only pulled up to check out. And to let the Cape motorbike group pass. Ours are all looking quite tight still. Tanks seem to be the only thing that are probably going to give us ongoing grief, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Alright, leave it with us, and I'll let you know for the next interesting thing that goes wrong. No, nothing else is going wrong.
No.
No.
Nothing goes wrong.
No.
Everything is fine. Nothing bad ever happens.
There you go.
What is it?
Probably soon on capping this one off. I'm doing 20 kilometres an hour and the car's holding together quite well. She's pretty rough, this section though. So this is Corrugations. Welcome to Cape York. I reckon we're going to get overtaken again. I'm going a little bit slower, but it shows you how bad they can get. I've been in worse and I've been in better.
You ready?
Yeah, so after a big day today, lots that we didn't expect to be sort of doing, just whipped the buggies off. We're at Bramwell Junction, so next up's Telegraph Track. We might go have a quick look at Palm Creek this afternoon, get our minds right for tomorrow, give the buggies a run and an excuse to leave the trailers behind. Quickly going to wash the windscreen down, just get some dust off so we can see. Other than that, what else do you want to say about today?
Hard.
Yeah, a lot of unexpected stuff.
Yeah. But got there.
Yeah. At the end of the day, we're here, so
No detrimental damage.
a couple of beers tonight, I reckon.
Definitely.
Maybe just an exploring mission tomorrow. Maybe just check to make sure everything's A1 as can be with the trailers.
Yeah.
Roads were pretty rough, unexpectedly. Like we expected bad, just some positions were probably a lot worse.
Yeah. Yeah, far worse than I thought.
Yeah, and just bring 2 new trailers that just probably needed a little bit more of a check over and a little bit more of a pre-run before we tackled this sort of stuff.
Definitely.
Yeah. So in the next YouTube bit, we'll probably give you a Telegraph Track. We'll start that. We'll be doing sections of that in buggies, sections in car and trailer. We'll show you the whole lot along. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, I suppose, eh?